Hey there, this is Michael from Pack Stuff. Just want to give you a very quick walkthrough of the EasyWeigh single weigh head. So starting from here, obviously we have the hopper right up at the top. That's a 50 litre hopper. Will hold plenty of product there for you. Here we've got the flow gate which you can adjust up and down to help manage the flow of the product through the machine. Then we have the vibration shelf which moves the product down into the weight pan, and when you reach your target weight, obviously the machine then will stop. You press the foot pedal, it dispenses straight into the pack. It is as simple as that. Everything is removable on this machine, from the hopper to the vibration shelf, the weight pan, and also the chute assembly will all remove and can be put into a sink or washed out very simply and very quickly. That is pretty much it. The only other thing, of course, is the control panel. The control panel is all touch screen, so quite simply, once you've pressed login, you can press run, and you have 10 presets in there that we can pre-program actually for you, so that when you want to recall different types of products that you're going to pack through this machine, you can then just simply press the preset and the machine is ready to go. The only adjustment you would make would be to the flow gate, and that's it. I hope you found that useful. If you've got any questions, please do get in contact with us. Thanks very much for watching.